Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Daryl.
And I'm Clay. In today's video, we're taking you on a journey through the heart of Disney's Fort Wilderness Campground during the most enchanting time of the year, the holidays.
Yeah, this is when the fort really becomes a community of holiday cheer, and the RVs, many of the RV sites, help tell a story that brings the season to life, and it's really something to see. By the way, if you enjoy this content, we hope you'll smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you won't miss the next video. We're also over there on Tolleson Life Facebook page, so join us over there.
Now let's show you how we navigate a large Class A through a 53-year-old campground, and then we'll take you to see the nighttime display. Disney's Fort Wilderness, Daryl Cannon. Aren't we?
Yes, indeed. I'm sorry, I was paying attention to those golf carts right there.
Okay.
All right, so now we're going to come up to the unhitch area, and we'll unhook this Hummer right quick. All right, let's go. We always like showing people what it looks like to get into the fort, because we have gotten a lot of feedback from people that has been very helpful. And this may be your first time of watching a video on Fort Wilderness, so we just like to show what it looks like, the beautiful scenery that you see here, even here at the four-way stop. There's a lot of landscaping in here, just a beautiful, beautiful park, but it is very tight. Remember, it was built back in 1972. So right now we're about to make the right turn into the 1200/1300 loop. So we're making this turn now. And if you stay to the right, that road right there on the right is the 1200 loop. So we're going to actually turn left right here and then make another hard right, which will put us into the 1300 loop. Man, it's tight in here, that's all there's to it. I didn't take that curve as wide as I should have, probably. Hey, Clanky.
Hey, darlings. Okay. So, that's what you don't...
Oh, wow. That makes us tour bus.
On the,
Left, I believe. 1323, right?
Yeah, 1323.
Here, so I can swing it out a little more.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, all right, wait, hold on. Let me come out, and now I gotta... Come on back.
I'm gonna cut it hard for a moment here.
Well, I don't know.
I'm gonna go forward. Well, now let me come on back some more.
Yeah. Hey, get on the phone. Yeah, come on back. You're fine on the right. Keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming and stop.
All right, let's get set up.
So we are really excited. Daryl and I are about to do something that we have never done before.
Yeah.
We are about to ride around Fort Wilderness and see all the decorations, the Christmas and Thanksgiving decorations that we have never seen before, because we've never been here this time of year, and we would like to bring you guys with us and show you guys, you know, how it's done here.
We're gonna hop on our trusty golf cart here that we rented for $70 a day, if you wanna know what that goes for. All right, we got our little modified light on here. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Watch yourself. Got our cups of coffee here. Let's ride.
All right.
All right.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to... You're a mean one, Mr. Green. Spirit are permitted to enter.
Look at Santa Claus upside down, falling off the motorhome. Clay, look at all of our decorations.
Look at our decorations.
Yeah.
3.5 feet tall. Animated.
Look at the windshield.
I know, look at the windshield on that one. They're right there.
Yeah.
Tulsa life.
Hey, yes!
And now you're officially in our video.
Ma'am, I typically don't pick up hitchhikers, but I'll make an exception for you. So if you want to board, please come right on.
Well, I appreciate
We have room for you here.
I appreciate.
I want y'all to know it's a little chilly out here in Fort Wilderness. We had to put some extra clothing on, but we're still committed to seeing the Christmas lights. Yeah, got a rude camper back there, rude RVer back there tailgating.
Oh my God.
Well, I don't know about you, but that was pretty amazing to see, especially inside of an RV park.
Yes, it was a lot of fun filming it, and we hope that you guys enjoyed it as much as we did bringing it to you, as it was very cold.
Yeah, no doubt about it. Hey, to see more videos, click on one of those on the screen. We hope to see you there. Until then, be well and stay safe.